Dear student, welcome to online class. Hi, I am Uttam Kumar Bosak, assistant teacher, Bhadraghat Shamsul Mohsin High School. Dear student, I hope that you are well in the house. I am well also by the grace of God. Dear student, today his topic is the ferry boat. The ferry boat. Unit 4, lesson 1. Dear student, can you see in the picture? Okay, dear student, at first look at the picture and answer this question. Where can we see this kind of boat? Why does the boatman carry passengers across a river? Why do people use country boat? Dear student, question number 1. Where can we see this kind of boat? This kind of boats we can be see in the riverine rural areas. Number 2, why does the boatman carry passenger across the river? The boatman carries passenger for money. Besides, there is no breeze. Number 3, why do people use country boat? Country boats are not expensive. These boats are easily available. So, people use this type of boat. Dear student, today's topic is the ferry boat. The ferry boat. Students, at first open your textbook. At first I read out, please. Is there anybody here who has ever crossed a river by a country boat? I have, teacher, said Jamil. And I clearly remember that happened in that journey. Would you please tell us what happened? The teacher asked. Okay, teacher. It happened when I was in class 6 on a weekly bazaar day. People were coming back with their shopping bags and baskets in hands, on shoulders and heads. They had to cross the river. It was not a big river. There was a ferry boat playing on the river. The boat could cross it in 8 or 10 minutes. It was just after sunset. The weather was getting bad. The wind started blowing from the northwest. Black clouds are moving fast in the sky. Everybody was trying to get into the boat. No more, please wait, shouted the boatman. But nobody listened to him. What happened then, Jamil? Asked Rumi. With too many people on board, the boat sank in the middle of the river, replied Jamil. Oh no, what happened then? Asked the teacher. Thank God, there were no casualties. All the passengers swam to the other side, but some of them lost the stuff they were carrying, such as oil, salt and milk, said Jamal. Were you on the boat? Asked the teacher. No, teacher, saying the boat overcrowded. I waited for the next trip, replied Jamil. You did the right things, Jamil. Okay, my dear student, now important vocabulary. Now important vocabulary. Open your khata and write down on it. At first, across. Cross হচ্ছে অতিক্রম করা বা পার হওয়া, cross. Bengali means পার হওয়া. English means to move or from one side to the other. English meanings to move or from one side to the others. Synonym word, go across. Understand? Synonym word, go across. Student, number 2, clearly. Number 2, clearly. পরিষ্কার ভাবে. Bengali means parts of speech, adverb. English means in a way that is certain or without doubt. Again, in a way that is certain or without doubt. Synonym word, obviously, undoubtedly. Synonym word, obviously, undoubtedly. Number 3, ply. Number 3, ply. It's a verb. পরিচালনা করা. প্লাইটা হচ্ছে পরিচালনা করা. English means between two particular place. Between two particular place. Synonym word, move or across. Synonym word, move or across. Number 4, words. Parts of speech, adjective. Words. আরও খারাপ. Words. Dear student, bad worst. It's a comparative degree. Words. English meanings of proper quality or lower standard. Of proper quality or lower standard. Synonym word, proper or base. Synonym word, proper or base. Number 5, shout. Parts of speech, verb. It is a verb. Shout, Bengali means চিৎকার করা. English means to say something in a loud voice. To say something in a loud voice. Cry, scream. Cry, scream. Number 6, accident. Number 6, accident. দুর্ঘটনা. English means an unpleasant event that happens unexpectedly. Again, an unpleasant event that happens unexpectedly. Synonym word, mishap and disaster. The student, number 7, casualties. Casualties means, Bengali means হতাহতের ঘটনা. Casualties means হতাহতের ঘটনা. English means accident, disaster. Synonym, loss and fatality. Synonym, loss and fatality. Dear student, number 8, overcrowded. Overcrowded. It's a adjective. Overcrowded. It's a adjective. জনাকীর্ণ. Overcrowded, Bengali means জনাকীর্ণ. Parts of speech, adjective. English means too many people in a place. English means too many people in a place. Synonym word হচ্ছে populous. Synonym word হচ্ছে populous. Synonym word হচ্ছে populous. Dear student, Now homework. Homework. Number A, if you have too many buyers, of fish, in the market, what is likely? What is likely to happen? Likely to happen. Number 2B, if we have too many passengers at a bus or train station. What may happen? Number 3, if we have to have too many people in a village, if we have too many people in a village or town or city, what will happen? Clear? Dear student, now homework. If we have too many buyers of fish in the market, what is likely to happen? Bengali means হলো যদি তুমি ওই মাছের বাজারে অধিক লোক হয় তাহলে তুমি সেখানে গিয়ে কি দেখবে এবং সেখানে কি ঘটবে। নাম্বার 2, if we have too many passengers at a bus or a train station, যদি আমরা বাস এবং রেল স্টেশনে অনেক লোকের ভিড় দেখি, হোয়াট মে হ্যাপেন, সেখানে কি ঘটবে। অ্যান্ড লাস্ট নাম্বার, ইফ উই হ্যাভ টু মেনি পিপুল ইন এ ভিলেজ, টাউন অর সিটি, হোয়াট উইল হ্যাপেন। ইফ উই হ্যাভ টু মেনি পিপুল, যদি শহর, গ্রাম এবং নগরে অধিকতর লোক হয় তাহলে সেখানে কি ঘটবে। তোমার বাড়িতে আগামী দিন এটা পড়ে আসবে। তো ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্ট, আই হ্যাভ finished my class. Stay home and stay safe. Thank you everybody student.